Okay, guys, let me show you how this works. We got our timestamps. All these are when it's happening, and you see the times. It's actually 10:58. So at 8, and this is crypto. See, crypto goes 24/7. It just depends on who's on it. Okay. So this morning, I mean, it's just been crazy. Why is it doing all this? Why is it all these buy and sell spots going on? This is a sale right here. You sell it, man. It dropped down, way down. So if you had $100, you still got your $100 because you sold it here. Okay, so you're just placing that $100 in different spots. So you're gonna end up reinvesting somewhere in here. This is gonna give you your indication of a trend reversal. Okay, so actually, right here is your trend reversal. That's a double bottom, one bottom, two bottom, and this side is higher than this side, so that gives you the direction it's going. And my goodness, if you put your money in right here and you take that $100 and put it down, that $100 goes way up here. Usually we will end up selling here. Okay, we'll end up selling here because we see the trend reversal. And then we get down here again, and that's kind of like that's one that I made up. That's a corporate slide, meaning you got everybody looking and say, I'm not going to do anything yet. Let me see what I'm going to do. And so they all go heavy. They start heavy buying. So they have a buying cycle. They're buying this up, and that's what makes the stock go up, as people buying. And then they go way up here. Usually we'll be in a we'll be wanting to buy here, and that would be good. And sometimes people get shaken here, but I'm going to show you how what we call a MACD would tell you when to sell. And boy, can you imagine if you had left it on that long, how much that $100 would turned into? You follow me? So even if the stock market is in a downward trend, we still making money because we're putting it in, taking it out, putting it in, taking it out. Get 3%, 5%, 8%, 10%. Okay, and hold it. That's your money. Let me see if I can change. Let me see if I can do something with the chart. And let's see. We're gonna go into study 1, I think it is. No, let's just study 2. Yeah. Okay. We'll do this. Okay. Here we do this. The MACD. We hit the MACD. Then we set it. How we want it to look. We'll just leave it like this. Okay. And we'll create. Now this line tells you when to buy and sell. Look what it did here. And relating to that, it crossed. See, when this is your black line, it crosses. That's your signal line right there. Okay. In relationship to this and this, it's going down. That means you need to sell it right there once it crosses. It's so easy, and I know you'll have fun with it. We'll magnify it a little bit. See, I'm giving you all this free. This is how you consistently make money with $50 or 50,000. Okay. And see, we wait on our line. Our MACD is our indicator, so I could stay on it. I mean, I could stay on it, because it never breaks down below the red, which would be support. It never breaks down through support. It's still bouncing off of support and going higher. Okay. See, it's still not telling me to sell. This is a sell right there. You see, bang. It breaks down through through support. Okay, you would sell it right there. That's only, and now you would buy it here. Okay, so that's how you do this thing. And if you guys sign up with Invest Pack 8, INVESTPACK 8.com, then just hit me when you get there on support, and I'm gonna make sure that you'll be able to master this thing here. See, it's still going up over here. This is where we're at today, right now. Okay. Now look like we're getting a corporate slide, but see, this right here, that black line is not coming down yet, and it hasn't breaking through our support. But we're gonna watch it for a few seconds. Okay. I might blow it up again, so it'll give us a closer look of what's going on. Okay. So this is real time. I think it changes every minute. Oh wow, see, it's coming green up under here, so it's actually going up. So we'll see. Okay, it's changing, but remember, you're still waiting on that black line to do what it's going to do. So it's not broken through yet. It's still riding above support. Okay. Now, if you're hearing a buzzing noise in this, I'm on one of my oldest computers that I have, and it's getting the noise from the machine itself. I don't have an exterior microphone on this one, because this is the only one that I can use this platform to capture actual time on video. So my other computers will not. I don't know what the deal is, but I can't use this software on them. So I got Chromebooks, I got all kind of stuff, but this is the only computer that would do this. So we're gonna watch this here. See what it's gonna do. See, it's still going straight across, right? Let's see if I can bump it up again. Yeah, we can bump it up again. So we'll see what. Right now they're making a, they're thinking here. Okay, this is our corporate slide I'm telling you about. They're not doing nothing. This is called a narrow range, and I interjected to that as a corporate. There we go. They're making a decision. They still haven't broken through support. It's still above the red line. So once it comes down through there, then it's gonna change. But it hadn't changed yet as far as a downward trend or anything like that. It's still going up. Okay, so we went up, and you see you got more green underneath all this action. So that means the stock market, the crypto is going up. Okay, so they're painting a picture for us of what it's doing. I'm not sure what this, I just, like I said, this is my own little thing. I call it corporate slide, meaning they're at the table trying to figure out what they're going to do. Okay. All right, they're pulling it down. So it looks as if they're pulling some money out of it, but they didn't. Okay. So when it went red, people was taking the money out. So when it went back into green, that means somebody else was putting their money back in there. Okay. So now they feel like they took some more money out, but our two lines are still there. So I'm not going to let this be long, so I'm going to go another minute. Okay, we're getting ready to bottom out. You see those two lines? Okay. So once these two lines, if it breaks down and cross, it hadn't done it, has it? Look at that. See, it bounced right back up, and they putting the money in. See that? So if you don't have some kind of indicator on when to buy and sell, look at that. We are soaring. You would have missed this, because most people would have gotten scared and sold prematurely. And now this gap is getting even bigger and bigger. And the green is getting better. They're dumping the dollar right in here. They're buying like crazy. You see that? You see? So your $100 way over here is still climbing. Please, guys, don't hesitate. Once you sign in to Invest Pack 8, then you'll see Etoro with a man sitting there in a green box. Click it. Go ahead and join. I'm going to show you how to take your money and let it keep growing for you. Alright, well, this is Gary, and I went over 11 minutes. It's actually still climbing at 12 minutes. Okay, so now remember, we're going to be making a decision here. Corporate is going to say, what we need to do. Do we need to make more money or not? So I'm going to run it. I'm going to run it another minute so we can see what this thing going to turn into. Well, it looks like it's still climbing. See, this right here is getting wider here. And that's your black line. And that's your green box showing that you making money. I think this training is worth being free. I do want you to join in with us, and you know, you'll be able to get these videos like this in your training. And also, when you sign up with Etoro or Invest Pack 8, we have referral fees going on. So whoever you get involved, if it's Invest Pack 8 or if it's Etoro, you're gonna make money that way, even if you don't know how to trade. Okay, well, we'll talk to you later. And let's see, we out for now. Bye now. See you over in Invest Pack 8 and Etoro. Please sign up when you get over there.